I am lecturer Amir Hussain. Today I will talk with you, my dear spectators and friends, about two things for what we should not boast of. Um, you know that most powerful thing is in the world is the world himself. The source of all power is Almighty Creator. And we human being has come to this world for a short time in the long journey of universal time. And so, first one is property or asset. We should not boast of our property or asset because property or asset is not a permanent thing in our life, because our life is not permanent in this world. We must die. We must leave the world today or tomorrow. So, our life is not permanent. Why why we think that property is permanent? So, property is not a permanent thing in our life. On the other hand, if you are a wealthy person, if you are a rich person, your property may be closed for any reason. For example, there was a rich person. He had a lot of property. One day, he was diagnosed that he has cancer. For the treatment of cancer, he had to spend a lot of money, and for his weakness of body, he has to lose his business, and for treatment expenses, he lose a lot of money, and one day he became poor. So, our property, our wealth is not a permanent thing, so we should not boast of our property. Property is a very transparent thing. Property is a very light thing, and property is a very flexible thing. A property you may have today, you may not have tomorrow. So, we should not boast of our property or wealth. Second thing I want to say that we should not boast of, that is power. Power. There are many people in our society who have big designation, who have big power, but he got the power from the permission of Almighty Creator, Almighty Nature. Almighty Creator has given him power to utilize it in his best way, to utilize for the well-being of human being. If he boasts of his power may not stay tomorrow, may not stay longer, because God or Almighty Creator is the source of power. He should not conflict with Almighty Creator, because Almighty Creator permitted his power for the well-being of human being. Almighty Creator granted his power for proper utilization. So, this power may not stay long, so he should not boast of his power. Any human being should not boast of his power, because we human beings are not permanent in this world. Why we would boast of our power? In fact, we have no power. We have come in this world for our salvation or for our freedom of our soul. We have in this world like for examination, and we should always should not boast any of our thing. We should not boast of our property or our power. We should utilize them in the best way for the well-being of the society, for the well-being of human being. And the Almighty Creator wants this from human being. Thank you, everybody.